think that additive manufacturing is just at the beginning of incredibly rapid growth. Carbon's mission is taking manufacturing from the analog or artisan age into the digital age. Carbon was founded by a professor at the University of North Carolina who determined that he could create parts in a manner that had never been done before. And this allowed speeds of 25 to 100 times faster than any 3D printed parts had ever been done in history. Joe DeSimone, the founder of Carbon, knew that we were a potentially high-impact company. We could change manufacturing. But it was not going to be a worthy endeavor unless the journey itself were just as valuable as the end result. And a strong culture was absolutely essential to making that happen. I think the future workplace looks a lot like what we've done here at Carbon. We get things done faster here. So space is incredibly important to reinforce and protect the values of the company. The valuable things that T3 has provided for Carbon, the list is a long one, but it comes down to the ability to be a full service organization, to be able to provide us not only those excellent opportunities, but then to fulfill it all the way through construction and occupancy. They're folks with great values, highly responsive, but also their business acumen is really second to none. And it's resulted in just incredible achievements. When people come into this space, they know they're in a company that is literally at the cutting edge of what folks are trying to get done here in Silicon Valley.